Now, your News 8 forecast first.
Well, if you're waking up and you're looking out the window right now, you got a little bit of snow coming out of the sky. And I'm like, oh, come on, spring. Don't worry, though. We've got it in the forecast. Just a little bit of snow here to greet you this morning. A little coating, but it will be gone by this afternoon. 29 our current temperature, 29 in Dansville. So your forecast first. Skies will clear. The snow will go away. Temperatures possibly mid-30s, but I even got warmer temps in the 7-day. I'll tell you more coming up in just about 5 minutes. But first, News 8 at sunrise starts right now.
Now on News 8.
Time now to check the weather with Brian. Brian, some snow showers out there, huh?
Very light snow showers. That's all we're dealing with. Putting down a coating. Roads weren't bad at all. Temperature right around 30 degrees. But we got some nice weather in store. Starting today, tomorrow, a chance of a few rain showers, but I think you're going to like the temperatures we have in the 7-day. But let's first of all talk about what you're going to deal with here this morning. Most of the early morning, some light snow. Every once in a while it looks pretty with the big flakes, but I'm probably like you, like many of you, done with the snow. Bring on spring. Hey, this is the last full week of winter, so something to look forward to because spring happens on Sunday. Take a look at satellite and radar. What we have is a cold front just kind of draped right across our area, sparking just a few little bit of snow showers here, a little help from the lake as well. Those will be around here this morning, but skies are going to clear out, so clouds will clear and we'll get some more in the way of sunshine. But we are chilly. Temperature right now 29 degrees. Out over towards Saginaw, 26, Toledo at 30 degrees. So we'll be probably chilly today with temperatures struggling to reach the mid-30s. But as you look at your future cast, as this system kind of just moves on off, and as we head into your afternoon, stopping at 4 o'clock, skies begin to clear out. We'll see more in the way of sunshine. Lots of sunshine expected as we go into your Tuesday. Skies will be clear. It will be chilly to start the day on Tuesday, but again, keeping skies clear throughout the afternoon. But you can see just off towards the southwest, we've got rain showers on the march, and they will begin to arrive in here overnight Tuesday and be around for the day Wednesday. But it is rain, not snow, and you'll see that when we talk about the temperatures. But today, clouds clear for some sunshine, 35 degrees. Then for tonight, clear skies with a touch of a chill in the air and about 21. And then the next 3 days, 35 today, but 50 with sunshine on Tuesday. That's why I put nice. And then on Wednesday, we're still 50 with some rain showers. And I think, Tina, we're going to keep the 50 train going even as we head into the end of the week. So not a bad way to end winter, especially this particular winter.
Sounds good. We've got that extra hour of daylight now. The sun might as well be out, right?
Yeah, but we lost that extra hour of sleep. I'll tell you that much.
Yeah, gotta stay positive.
Yeah, no, definitely.
Thank you, Brian.
No problem.
Now, meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
There is a little bit of snow here to greet you as you get ready to start this Monday, this last full week of winter, but we do have very spring-like temperatures in store later on this week. But Greece, Rochester, you can see these by the shades of blue, only because these are really big flakes. I don't expect much out of this as we go throughout the morning. In fact, I expect to see this kind of decrease as we continue throughout. But what we have here is just kind of a cold front draped across the area. This will just kind of help produce those areas of snow, but what we're going to end up having is an area of high pressure begin to build in here. Once this drops through and just fizzles out, that's going to end up giving us some clearing skies. But we're going to be watching this area just off to our southwest. You can see from St. Louis and around Missouri, there's some shower. There's a lot of moisture. Eventually, that will be on the move, but probably not until Tuesday night into Wednesday, where we have a chance to get a couple of rain showers. Now, right now, we're at 29 degrees. It's not all that bad. When you walk outside and you see the snow, you're expecting that biting cold. Not going to be the case here this morning, 32 Charleston, but we're not going to warm up all that much either, probably looking at about mid-30s. So future cast here through 9 o'clock, and the clouds will begin to clear on out. So here we are at 5 o'clock. Going to enjoy some sunshine. Plus, it's still bright out there with that extra hour, or at least that hour extended in the evening. As you look here as we go overnight, skies will be mainly clear by 6 a.m. We're going to be chilly to start off with, and then as we head throughout your day Tuesday, lots of sunshine to greet you, and temperatures will begin to get warmer as we go throughout the day on Tuesday. We might start off chilly, but we will be warming up. Take a look at these numbers. 27 here through 9 o'clock today, taking you into the afternoon. 32 maybe. We're pushing 35 degrees later on this afternoon and evening. As we go overnight, I think a lot of places get down into the low 20s by 6:30. And then as we go throughout your day tomorrow, 45, and I wouldn't be surprised, upper 40s, if maybe not near 50 degrees by the afternoon tomorrow. But increasing sunshine, the snow will come to an end. it'll just remain cool, cooler than average. Temperature high of about 35. Then as we go overnight, actually we're not going to see that. We're going to see mainly clear skies as we work our way overnight. But nice weather expected tomorrow, even though we're going to start off in the low 20s, upper 40s to near 50. 50 on Wednesday with rain showers. And look at that, mid-50s Thursday into Friday. Definitely thinking spring at this point, especially spring officially arrives on Sunday. Tina?
All right, Brian, thank you. It's the circumference of a circle divided by its diameter. And the University of Rochester is celebrating today, starting at 11 a.m. and ending with an unveiling of pi at 3:14. Math fans say things will get really interesting in 2015 when the date will be 31415. The first 5 digits of pi. Time now to check in for a morning forecast with Brian. He's tracking some snow showers out there, Brian.
Well, you can get to the first 5 numbers now. How much farther beyond that can you get?
That's all I got.
That's all you got. It's probably same here too. As we take a look here at your storm Doppler radar, we do have a little bit of snow to talk about, but it's starting to lessen and lessen some more. That's the good news. So as we go throughout your morning, the snow that's already put down on the ground, I don't expect to see much more than what we've already received. As you look here on your satellite and radar, a few flakes. Again, what we have is a cold front draped across the area. This will just kind of drop south, weaken, and we're going to eventually see these clouds and the snow showers clear on out, and that will give us some sunshine. So numbers for you, 29 here in Rochester, Saginaw 27, so a little bit of a cool air overhead. Will be a little bit below average, but we're going to be warming things up. So if you're tired of all of this cold, this snow, you're like, I've had it, you want to throw the snow shovel or snowblower away, well, you can put it away for a while. We'll tell you more about that. But futurecast, there goes to that little bit of snow that we had this morning. Skies will begin to clear out. We'll have mostly sunny skies by this afternoon. Skies will be clear overnight as we head over into your tomorrow morning. It may lead to chilly temperatures to start the day Tuesday, but we'll have plenty of sunshine as an area of high pressure will be around for most of the day. But you can see off towards the southwest. Here come some showers. So as we go into your Tuesday evening and overnight into Wednesday, rain showers will spread through, but we will see warmer temperatures. So clouds clear for that sunshine. Temperature-wise, we should be about 35 degrees. That's a touch below average. Then for tonight, clear skies with a little bit of a chill as temperatures bottom out to about the low 20s, around 21. And just to give you a sneak peek at the 7-day forecast, we're going to see a lot more of these, Tina, going to Tuesday and Wednesday. Nice on Tuesday with the sunshine near 50, 50 on Wednesday, but a chance of a few rain showers. And I may be even adding a few degrees to these 50s going to the end of the week. So something to look forward to. Nice way to end the season of winter. Let's hope spring continues the trend next week.
All right, Brian, thank you so much.
Now, meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
And take a look here at your storm Doppler radar. Light snow from parts of from Marion over towards through Wayne County, Canandaigua, Avon, and through Monroe County. This puts down a coating. For some, it may mean an inch, but it won't last long. In fact, temperatures near the freezing mark already, and as we go throughout the day, it's going to melt away, and then it's going to stay away for a while. At least that's how things are looking right now. We have this little bit of a cold front that's just kind of draped across, very weak. It's going to continue to push on south. Eventually, it's going to take the snow and begin to clear out the clouds as well, as we have this area of high pressure. So as this begins to build in here, clouds will clear out. We'll get sunny skies for your Tuesday, but by Tuesday night into Wednesday, we will have to look at all that moisture down around the Ohio Valley. That will eventually work in here and bring a chance of rain, but also warmer temperatures. Right now, 29 in Rochester, Chicago at 28. The warmth bottled up to our south, but we'll eventually get that to move in here. To take a look at what we have on your futurecast. Here we are through 9 o'clock. The clouds around, a little bit of light snow. Most of that should be off to our south, and then skies will begin to clear out. They may even clear out sooner than this, but definitely by late afternoon, evening, we're looking at mostly clear skies. And now that everything is shifted an hour later, we get a little bit longer extra evening daylight, but that also means the sun comes up a little bit later here in the morning. But as we head overnight and into your Tuesday morning, skies will be clear. Winds will be light, so temperatures will be a bit chilly to start, but we'll have plenty of sunshine to go through your day Tuesday, and we are also looking at warmer temperatures. So by 2 o'clock on your Tuesday, skies are clear, and even as we go into 6 o'clock on your Tuesday evening, but we will be bringing the clouds and the chance of showers going Tuesday night into Wednesday. Here we are at 9 o'clock, 27 degrees, but We'll be warming up a little bit, still below average for today's highs. Temperatures in about 33, 32, maybe even 35 as we work our way into the late afternoon. Overnight, those temperatures drop with those clear skies, low 20s to start the day. But watch this, the numbers definitely in the 40s, and I wouldn't be surprised if we're in the upper 40s to maybe even near 50 by later on in the afternoon. But today, increasing sunshine as the snow and clouds move out. It will remain cool, 35 degrees. Then tonight, clear skies, a slight chill in the air, temperature-wise 21. Then over the next 3 days, 50 on Tuesday, 50 on Wednesday, breezy, maybe a chance of a few showers off and on. Thursday, mild, 55 and partly sunny with rain showers on Friday, 56. A touch cooler on Saturday, but then Sunday, 52 and partly sunny. Of course, although we're going into a quiet pattern, it seems like here, you can always check out and get the latest information, track the snow and even rain showers with our interactive radar. And you can also get the current conditions, watch the warmer temperatures on our News 8 map wall. All can be found at rochesterhomepage.net. That's Tina's favorite website, by the way.
Absolutely. I visit it all the time. Thank you, Brian.
Now, your News 8 forecast first.
It is 5:59 here on your Monday morning, and just areas of light snow moving through and then eventually moving out of the area. Really won't amount to too much. A coating maybe for some an inch, but temperatures, they're holding near right about 30 degrees, but right now 29 in Rochester, 28 in Dansville. Skies will clear. We'll get more in the way of sunshine, especially by the time we reach 5 o'clock, about 35 degrees. I know it's still chilly, the snow, still signs of winter, but signs of spring are on the horizon. I'll tell you more coming up at 6:06, but first, News 8 at Sunrise starts right now.
Now on News 8.
Time now to check our weather. Brian is tracking some snow showers out there.
Yeah, these snow showers will be with us here through definitely the early morning and then eventually beginning to push on out. We're already starting to see the backside of this to our north, especially through that northwest corner of Monroe County, northern Orleans County. Fairly light snow. And the reason it looks so bright and blue is because of the larger nature of the flakes that we are seeing. Now, as you look here at the satellite and radar, a cold front draped across the area. That's what's helping to produce this area of light snow. The clouds will be here, but high pressure will eventually begin to build in from the west, and that will help clear the skies out and give us more in the way of sunshine. But temperatures will remain chilly as we go throughout the day. Right now, currently 29, Saginaw 26, so a touch below average as we head into the afternoon. But here's how we see things shaping up. Your future cast. The snow will come to an end. The clouds will begin to clear out as we head here. Here we are at 4 o'clock, and as we continue going overnight, clear skies, but clear skies and light winds. We've told you time and time again. What does that mean? Chilly temperatures expected by tomorrow morning, down into near 20 degrees. But with all the sunshine we're going to see and warmer air on the rise tomorrow, here we go through 4 o'clock. Cloud cover starts to knock on our door. Temperatures will be near 50 with rain showers trying to move in here Tuesday night and going into Wednesday. But we're going to break this cycle and finally put a streak together most of you, I think, are going to like. Clouds will clear for sunshine as we go through the late morning into the afternoon, and the snow will come to an end. 35 for highs, a touch below average. As I mentioned, chilly overnight. Temperatures down to about 20 with those clear skies. But as you look at the next 3 days, you get a hint of what we have for pretty much the rest of the week. Tuesday, Wednesday. Nice day on Tuesday, 50 degrees or at least near it. And then Wednesday with rain showers, although the rain will be in place, 50 degrees. And that's just a touch of what I've got on the 7-day forecast. And stick around, you'll want to see that as well.
All right, so far so good. Thank you, Brian.
Yes.
Now, meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
And as we take a look here at your storm Doppler radar, still areas of light snow, and that's going to coat some area side roads. It wasn't too bad when I came in here. Coating maybe in some places you're getting an inch here this morning, but the snow is almost done, and it will be out of here probably within the next, at least Rochester, within the next hour or two, and then continue to push on off towards the south. Satellite and radar, we have this cold front draped across here, very weak though, but it's going to keep cooled air around for us today, but the snow showers will go with it as an area of high pressure will try to build in here today and tomorrow. Eventually, some of this rain showers off to our south will work in here, but not until Tuesday night. And as we go into Wednesday, it's also going to bring some warmer temperatures with us as well. Right now, 29, but just off to our south, you've got 36 in St. Louis, Chicago there at 28. But as we go through your future cast here, clouds here this morning, yes, a little bit of snow. Most of that will by 9 o'clock be off to our south. Then, as the high pressure moves in here, skies will begin to clear. So as we head into 5 o'clock, Plus, we get that little later extension of daylight in the evening hours, so enjoy. The sun will be around, and then skies will be clear as we go overnight. And then as we continue to make our way here into your 6 a.m., it'll be chilly because of the clear skies overnight, but with all the sunshine we're going to see during the day Tuesday, temperatures are going to warm up. So future temperatures here through 9 o'clock, 27 degrees. We're only going to see temperatures low, maybe mid-30s by the afternoon. 32 Rochester and probably maybe even more likely 35. Overnight, though, with the skies clearing, temperatures drop very quickly down to about 23 Rochester. And then as we make our way into your Tuesday afternoon, 45, if not maybe even upper 40s to near 50 degrees. So warmer weather's on the way, and that trend will be with us for pretty much the rest of the week beyond today. But increasing sunshine, it will just remain cool, 35 degrees. Then as we head overnight with the clear skies and light winds, temperatures down to about 21. And then over the next 7 days, well, nice on Tuesday, rain on Wednesday, rain on Friday. But look at those numbers by the end of the week. 55 on Thursday, 56 on Friday, and even as we go into the weekend, although we might cool off a little bit on Saturday at 46, it's not 30 and it's not snowing. And then as we go into Sunday, 52 degrees. So some nice stretch of weather here going into, well, what's officially the start of spring by Sunday. Tina?
Pi Day. Brian. March 14th, or 314, is the first 3 digits of the mathematical number pi. That's the circumference of a circle divided by its diameter. So the University of Rochester is celebrating today. They're starting at 11 a.m. and they're ending with an unveiling of pi at 314. Math fans say that things will get really interesting in 2015 when the date will be 31415. Those are the first 5 digits of pi. Time now to check in with the weather and Brian. Brian, a lot of math for me to do this morning in the break.
What's your favorite pie?
Favorite pie? Peach, like my shirt.
Like your all right, there we go. And it's also good in cobbler form, too.
What about you?
I like cherry.
Oh, all right. Pretty standard.
Pretty standard, yeah. And apple. Depends on the season, really. Taking a look here at your storm Doppler radar. A little bit in the way of snow to greet you, but it's on its way out. You can see the back edge of this, that northern extent through parts of Monroe County. That will begin to push on through over the next hour or two and then push on off towards the south. No more than an additional, some places may have already gotten a coating or an inch on some of the grassy surfaces. But you can see over the last 6 hours, this little wave of snow moved through, all part of a cold front that's just trying to slide on through. We'll be cool today, but eventually clouds will clear and we'll get more in the way of sunshine. Upper 20s here across Monroe County, and that is with an official number at Rochester, 29 degrees. So clouds will eventually clear for more sunshine. Temperature right around 35 for a high. It's a bit below average, but then clear skies overnight will bring temperatures down to about the low 20s. But we're warming things up, about 50 degrees for Tuesday. Lots of sunshine. Rain enters the picture on Wednesday, still near 50, and then mid-50s, 55 on Thursday, up to possibly 56 for Friday, with, again, a few rain showers, although a little bit cooler on Saturday, dry, 46, and then 50s return for the first day of spring on Sunday. There's your forecast. Now let's check in with Tom George and a look at your track.
All right, Brian, and give me a good old-fashioned deep dish apple pie and a happy cat for all of you.
News 8 forecast first.
6:29, and we're starting off a brand new week. Pretty much the same way we've seen most of these weeks. A little bit of snow, a little bit of cold air, but things will be changing for this last week of winter. But again, a little bit of snow to greet you there this morning, a coating on some grassy surfaces on the vehicle, maybe a few roads at 29 degrees. So as we go throughout your day, clouds will clear, the sun will return. A little bit chilly there, high of around 35 degrees. You like 50s? I know you do. They're in the 7-day. Tell you more coming up in about 6 minutes from now. But first, News 8 at Sunrise starts
Time now
right
for a check of your weather. Brian's tracking some snow showers out there, Brian.
I know, they're hard to say. Our mouths are too cold. Yes. Winter's been too long. When is it going to end? I got some good news in the forecast, but we do have a little bit of light snow to deal with. But it is breaking up. That's the good news. Some coating on grassy surfaces. Maybe some places you've got an inch, or maybe you've got some coating on the road or the cars. But on my way in, I didn't notice too much of a problem, nor were the roads too slick or icy. Now, satellite and radar, there's that snow that moved through here, all part of this kind of this cold front that's been draped here. Very weak. It's going to just slide on through. It's going to keep us cool today, but eventually as high pressure tries to build in here, especially out over towards the west, now those clouds are going to clear and we're going to get more in the way of some sunshine. But check out the numbers here, 29 in Rochester, Ottawa there 25. So across the Great Lakes, it's going to remain cool and a few degrees below average for high temperatures today. But I've got good news for you, and it's in the form of spring-like temperatures. But let's take you through Futurecast, showing you the skies, the clouds. They clear out by 4 o'clock. We've got sunshine, high temperature probably mid-30s. As we go overnight, now clear skies, light winds. those typically translate into chilly mornings, and that's what we'll get Tuesday morning. Here we're at 8 o'clock, down to near 20, but we're going to warm things up. In fact, going to push the temperature to near 50 with mostly sunny skies. But as we go Tuesday night into your Wednesday morning, here comes those showers and precipitation, but it's going to remain warm and keep that way as we go into the end of the week. But clouds will clear for that sunshine. 35 degrees as we head into tonight with the clear skies and light winds. We are down to about 20, and just a sneak peek. Yeah, I'm still going to hold you in suspense for that 7-day. 50 and nice on Tuesday, 50 on Wednesday with a chance of a few rain showers. And we might actually, we will get warmer going into Thursday and Friday. You're going to want to stick around for that because I know you've already seen it, but Thursday, Friday, people are going to like it, I think.
Absolutely. I definitely do.
And it's hard to, finally, the last few days here of winter are going to be spring-like.
All right, sounds good to me. Thank you, Brian.
Meteorologist Ryan Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
Light snow to greet us here this morning. It's not amounting to too much. A coating on some grassy surfaces, maybe upwards of an inch. The car had a little bit of snow on the windshield. You may have to clean that out if you left it outdoors overnight. But it's coming to an end. You can see the back edge here. It's been moving slowly on off towards the south and off towards the southeast. Now, satellite and radar, we have this kind of a weak cold front draped across the area, but eventually what we're going to see later on today and as we go into tomorrow, that area of high pressure is going to build in here and it's going to clear out the clouds, get rid of all the snow, keep the precipitation that's off to our south away for the time being, and then it comes back into the forecast Tuesday night and into Wednesday, but currently at 28 degrees, so we're down a degree from 29. Chicago at 27, St. Louis at 36, so a bit of a chill here across most of the Great Lakes, but it's going to get warmer. Not today, but definitely going to see that on the increase tomorrow, Wednesday, and then definitely noticeable Thursday and into Friday. Futurecast here through 9 o'clock. A little bit of cloud cover will still be holding on. A little bit of snow will be off to our south, but by the time we make our way into the evening, here we are at 5 o'clock. Not only do we get that now push that hour of daylight more towards the evening, we will see mostly sunny skies, and the skies will clear as we go overnight. Winds will be light, so that's going to mean a chilly start to your Tuesday. But although it may be chilly to start, lots of sunshine to go around during the day Tuesday. And as we head into 2 o'clock, sunny skies, and that will be the case even as we head into Tuesday evening. But those numbers, 27 here to start. We're not going to get much colder than where we are right now. Probably only going to get to about 32, maybe 34, 35 as we head into the afternoon. Overnight, though, temperatures will drop very quickly with the clear skies. So to start the day tomorrow, down to about 23, and then temperatures warming at least 45. I could see them upper 40s to near 50 by the time we reach the afternoon tomorrow. So something to look forward to, and then that starts a nice little streak here for the rest of the week with highs in the 50s. Increasing sun once the clouds move out. Still cool, though, 35 degrees, and then tonight, clear skies, a slight chill in the air as temperatures bottom out to about 21. And then as you look at the next 3 days, 50 on tomorrow, 50 on Wednesday, but that does come with rain showers. One system passes through. We get a break on Thursday, 55 and mild. Another shot of rain comes into the picture on Friday, 56. Now we cool off on Saturday, but that's a cool down I can take, 46 degrees, and then mix of sunshine and clouds on Sunday and 52. So a nice little period here of temperatures getting into the 50s for this last week of winter. Of course, you can always get more information. All you have to do is go to our website, rochesterhomepage.net. You can track these little light snow showers this morning with our interactive radar. Check out those temperatures as they get warmer later on this week on our News 8 map wall. Maybe even join in on our weather blog and our conversation, all there at rochesterhomepage.net. Tina?
All right, Brian, thank you. It is. And Rochesterians will have a new music festival to head to next summer. Percussion Rochester will debut on May 4th and May 5th of 2012. The festival will be 2 full days of music focusing on percussion performance. It will be held every other year.
There will be percussion in the streets with festivals here on Main Street outside of the Eastman School of Music, and percussion will be the featured instrument. We hope to have some drum circles perhaps, some student ensembles performing, and we'll be bringing in professionals from all over the world who are recognized leaders in the field and who are world-renowned names.
There will also be a composition prize, $5,000 to the composer whose work best showcases percussion with others. That's the theme of next year's festival. Time now to check in with Brian. He's here with a look at the afternoon forecast.
Well, as Gloria Stefan says, the rhythm is going to get you. And, you know, that may happen this summer. Sounds like a lot of fun. Maybe we can bake some drums as long as it's not a rain dance. And we do have overcast skies, but you know what? They're going to clear out. We're going to get more sunshine. Now, if I looked out the window, it keeps getting brighter and brighter. And any snow that we saw, gone. take a look at our current conditions. Still overcast, but we're up to 33 degrees. A west-northwesterly wind, light though. Temperatures mostly in the 30s now, above freezing in Rochester. A few 20s still holding on from Buffalo to Jamestown. Here's what we saw over the last 6 hours. Clouds are trying to clear off to our north and a little bit off to our east, so expect some sunshine. The clouds will clear for more sunshine, but temperatures only up about 35 degrees, but I feel like a case of more spring fever. I think we'll have by Thursday. I'll tell you more coming up in just a bit.
All right, thank you.
Meteorologist Brian Neudorff with Rochester's most accurate forecast.
Something you haven't seen on the 7-day in a very long time. Check out this. Spring before it's spring. What do I mean? Well, this is the last full week of winter, and spring comes in on Sunday, but it's going to feel more like spring. And I've got a fever, and the only thing that can cure it is more spring. Let's take a look at what we've got going on. As we take a look at your satellite and radar, we have an area of high pressure trying to build in here. That's going to help try to clear these clouds out. It's pushing the snow out of the way. And so what this means for us is sunshine this afternoon and all day on your Tuesday. Now, the next thing we're going to be watching, look at all this precipitation just off to our southwest throughout the Ohio Valley. Going to be a slow system. What this means for us, though, is rain by Wednesday, but not a lot of rain, so I don't think we're going to see too much of a flooding concern, but still, it's going to bring some wet weather, but it is also going to keep those warm temperatures around. Currently, right now, 33 degrees. The cold air is up to our north. Sudbury there at 16, Chicago at 35. The warmth, though, just off to our south, and that will begin to build in here going into tomorrow, then Wednesday, and I think a lot of you might start to feel not real well on Thursday. I'll show you why. You might come down with that spring fever I'm talking about. 8 o'clock here tonight, skies are clear. Overnight, that's going to mean light winds, and that combination, that equation, always equals chilly temperatures, so by 7 o'clock, we will have plenty of sunshine. Now, here comes this next system moving in here as we head into 5 o'clock. Clouds just knocking on our doorstep. A few rain showers likely Wednesday early morning, and then throughout the day, a few off and on showers, with the heaviest, I think, maybe stay off to our south. Then it's out of here, and then Thursday, well, that looks very, very nice. As far as those temperatures go, 31 here by 6 o'clock. With clearing skies, temperatures, I could even see them as cold as the low 20s as we go overnight and into tomorrow morning as we stop it right here 5 a.m. And then as we continue into your Tuesday afternoon, those temperatures warming up mid-40s, maybe even 50 with lots of sunshine. So a very nice day expected, but increasing sunshine later on this afternoon. High temperature, though, cool, only about 35 degrees. Tonight, clear skies, a slight chill in the air as we bottom out to near 21. And then as you look at the rest of your 7-day forecast, it was nice to put 4 50s on a row up there. 50 by Wednesday with the rain, but 55 degrees. I better tell management I may not be able to come in on Thursday. 55 degrees and mild, 56, little rain showers. And then the weekend not looking all that bad. We'll see how that thing plays out. So.
Well, and if you're not here on Thursday, now everyone's going to know why, because you told everybody.
I'm sick. I've got a fever.
Right, the spring fever.
Yeah, I'm kind of flush already, so.
Thank you, Brian.
No problem.
Here's a look at what we're working on for News 8 at 4.
News 8 at noon continues.
As the saying goes, Rome wasn't built in a day, and neither was this city. Check it out. A California man used 9,000 popsicle sticks, 400 clothespins, and 36 bottles of glue. He made 44 buildings that include housing, a fire station, a mission, a jail, and his favorite, the power plant. He calls the whole thing Stone Marble City, and he's hoping to someday put the city on display. Pretty impressive, huh, Brian?
Yeah, I mean, little known fact, I mean, that there was a concern that this was never going to get done because of the whole brain freeze incident. I'm glad he was able to power through that.
You're insinuating that he actually ate all the ice pops.
I'm hoping that's more impressive that way.
Yes.
He could have bought those. It's still great looking either way. Real quick on our forecast, you know what? You may want to break out the popsicles as we take a look at the 7-day forecast. Because of Thursday, 55 degrees. I haven't put this many 50s on the map in quite some time. Thursday, tomorrow, nice with the sunshine. We'll be close to it. We may stay in the upper 40s. I don't want to get your hopes up, but I'm kind of leaning that direction. A couple days of rain Wednesday and Friday.
All right, sounds good to me. Thank you so much, Brian. And that's our noon broadcast for today. Thank you for watching. You can get caught up with the latest headlines this afternoon on News 8 first at 4.